In Photoshop, we can cut out hair very fast. We have to duplicate the layer and create a new empty layer. This we're going to fill with a bright color, and we'll place it below the layer we're going to work with. We're going to make it visible and select the background eraser tool. Size, I will leave 165. I will choose sampling once, leave it to contiguous. Tolerance will be 33%, and protect foreground color will be selected. Tolerance 33%. The lower you go, the less you will cut. The higher you go, the deeper you will cut. We go around the hair. He's not cutting into the body, so that's good. Now we can select the eraser tool. We can increase the size a little bit. To finish the rest. Now we can deselect the layer and we cut out the hair.